Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So you just bought a new camera for security, right? But it could be wide open to strangers.
Right now, literally tens of thousands of private cameras are just streaming live on public websites.
And this isn't some complex hack. It's happening because of one simple mistake that makes you an easy target.
The number one vulnerability? It's called default credentials. You know, the factory login your camera came with?
And this really shows the problem. Hackers know these defaults and use bots to find them automatically.
I mean, this exact method was used in the Mirai botnet attack. It hijacked over 600,000 devices.
So, the crucial point is that hackers look for the easiest way in. You just don't want to be that easy target.
But here's the good news. Building your own little digital fortress, it's actually super simple to do.
All right, let's get to the solution. Here are 3 steps you can take right now to lock everything down.
That last step mentioned 2FA? Well, think of it like a bulletproof vest, but for your account.
So even if a criminal gets your password, they're stuck. They can't get in without your phone.
So why does all this matter? Well, taking these simple steps ensures your private window stays private.
Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.